Presidency speak on the fire outbreak that has been reported at the presidential villa in Aso Rock, Abuja on Saturday. Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel, Boyos Network. Thank you for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also click on the notification button. This is where you will get more gist and updates from us. Thank you very much. I do really appreciate. Now the news in details. A fire outbreak has been reported at the presidential villa in Abuja, causing commotion and confusion among the workers in President Buhari abroad. According to Sahara reporters, they learned that the fire started at 4 p.m. and as at that time, the fire service operators, they are there trying to calm down, to take off the fire. Then they also said that the security men were busy chasing people away. They don't want people to capture the incident. They also let us know that the cause of the fire, as at that on Saturday, they've not found out. It's not yet known. A fire service truck has been moved in and we are seen in the villa. And a lot of Nigerians have reacted to this. Some call it drama. To some, they said the most fundamental responsibility of any leader is to safeguard the lives and properties of his citizens. And when this responsibility cannot be met, he or that leader will just honorably thing to do is to step aside and let the competent hands take charge. According to some Nigerians, they also said that we should not mind them, that all they just want to do, they are looking for a way to loot money, that after they will budget 3 trillion in order to repair the affected area. Well, Nigerians, they have every right to say whatever thing they want to say, yes, because based on the things that don't happen before from the past, go here say this won't happen, before you know, na billions, so billions upon billions we go reach 3 people. Now they go use take do all those things. So all those things, before you hear say one gbege don't happen, at the end of the day, that money, now they go, now just avenue, they are just looking for avenue to loot money. And I don't blame Nigerians that think that way, that they are really looking for avenue to look for money. So they say now the cabals of the government say because they want money, I make them cause the fire. But some Nigerians, they also say that God there at work, that it's just God that want to punish them, that God want to finish them and all that. But the presidency on their own part don't come talk their own part of the story. According to the presidency, they said there was a fire outbreak outside the perimeter of Aso Rock, Nigerian seat of power, that Saturday night. Say yes, it's actually. But according to Malam Garba Shehu, the presidential spokesman, he said the incident happened between the villa and the army barrack towards Aso Koro. So the man deny and say the report say the fire outbreak, just occur, just happen for inside Aso Rock at all. Yes, so now waiting the man talk. According to the senior special assistant to the president on media and publicity, Malam Garba Shehu, in his statement, he said indeed there was a bush fire behind the fence of the villa. Yes, so he said na bush fire, 9 days. Say no be inside this thing. Say the fire now, say maybe na people with the waka, cigarette where they smoke cigarette. Say maybe na them throw away the cigarette light. Say na the cigarette light na it can cause the bush to the burn. Nothing we cannot hear, nothing we will not hear for this our country, Nigeria. How can there be a cigarette? How can someone be passing by and just throw away a cigarette stump light inside near the Aso Rock? Aso Rock not supposed to be the safest place to be in this whole country. And actually, no Nigerians now, say we must always talk. A lot of Nigerians has really reacted to this. Some say, now be say the cabals them, people wey dey lead us, they smoke weed. Yes, it's really funny that they smoke weed. Yes, so the matter really shock Nigerians. They said so, then they smoke cigarette for villa. This one tire them all. Villa no be where they supposed to dey smoke cigarette. But you see, a lot of things, any little bad or evil that occurs in the government house, people go just dey happy, they rejoice, because that is to show that people are not happy, the government are not doing well, the leadership are bad. If the leadership are bad, I believe by now they hear say this kind of thing happen. It go make the people they feel say, now wow, my country, my this. But this one sef, everybody want make the whole villa make a burn because of the whole thing where they happen, and which is bad for the government. It's bad for us as a country. According to some persons, they feel say na lie. Oh, yes, so they say na lie. Say which kind of fire go happen? Which kind who wants smoke near Aso Rock? So I think when you hear our country, hear so many things where they happen for this country, you know that this country is not safe at all. They just come out to say yes, say na smoke, cigarette smoke. Whoosh, no jail to hear for this country. Say na cigarette smoke. Imagine that kind of thing. No jail. So you guys, I would like you guys to throw your own comments. Let's hear your own version of the story. Whether you believe say the cabals now they smoke cigarettes or not, or whether the Buhari himself now they smoke cigarettes, because it's unheard of. So I would like you guys to throw in your comments. You're also subscribe to this channel. Thanks very much.